DDOG stock analysis, which is for tomorrow, Friday. In this 1 minute video, I'm answering whether Datadog is a buy or not for me. With this crazy good pump with 15%, I'm honestly very open-minded to just doubling down, buying here more. There you go. Oh, shit, yeah. So this is sick. You know, here's the before. Boom. Notice how I can have the before video and show it to you. 6th of May when it was made, right? Now what the heck is this? 6th of May was, bro, it was so early, right here. Since then is when this is on the chart, and this swing is still gonna keep being on the chart. No questions asked. Just that on the lower time frame, I will be hoping I see some little correction so I can double down on that. Other than that, this is all noise. So if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already tried it, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.